Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. We are down to our last video on installing under-cabinet lights. We finally get to install the LED tape. You will need the LED tape, male and female connectors, low voltage staples, a tiny screwdriver, LED tape connectors, and scissors. First, run the low voltage along the under edge of the cabinet. Then install a male connector on the wire. The red wire goes to the positive and the white wire goes on the negative screw. Staple down the wire. Measure out the length of the cabinet. The tape lighting will have cut points to cut the tape. Slightly peel off one side and insert the LED tape connector on the tape. Make sure you install the positive to the positive side and clamp connector down. Install the female barrel connector on the ends of the tape connector. Red being positive, black being negative. Peel off the rest of the tape. Stick the tape to the front edge of the cabinet so it points towards the backsplash. Connect the two barrel connectors. Staple any extra wire down. Turn the breaker on and test your work. Please like this video and subscribe to our page for a link to 150 other videos.